Hey y'all, it's Nikki with Cussin'Crafts. So we had a glitch in our video that I recorded. I recorded the entire thing without sound. So this is my first voiceover, so bear with me. So what this video it's pretty great. I was so excited about it. Is we did a Valentine swap with Erin over at Coop's Place Craft and Alyssa at Crafting to Cope. They hosted a Valentine swap. And what you did is you excuse me, submitted some things and we had to do a pocket letter. And I had to actually watch tutorials on how to do a pocket letter because I had never made one before, but they are so much fun. But it had a pocket letter, a sweet treat, a card, either store bought or handcrafted. And y'all know me, I handcrafted one. And crafter's choice. You could send anything you wanted to in your package. And what you did is you mailed it to either Erin or Alyssa, and then you get one in return. And this video is me unboxing it, and we got a gift from the hostess for holding it, for participating. And right here is my gift for participating in the swap. And let's open it up and see what we got. There's lots of goodies in the bag. I struggled a little bit because I was nervous and excited because this was my first swap I had ever done, and I kind of want to do another one. I've always loved mystery bags as a kid, when you go into the store and there's a mystery bag for girls, but you never know what you're going to get. So this is right up my alley. So here's our thank you card from Melissa and Erin for participating in the swap. And we'll have links to their channels down below as well. They've got some great ideas over there. I got some slap bracelets. We use those at our events. The kids love those. Grown-ups love them as well. So there was some slap bracelets in there. That little envelope was, why did I skip over it? Oh, I decided to get everything out of the bag. That's why. That little envelope was handmade by Erin over at that was made by Erin at Coop's Place. Good gosh, words are hard today. And she handmade that, and it is a Scrabble tile with a little heart attached to it, and it's a magnet, y'all. That was so stinking cute. Excuse me. And you'll also see got a lollipop. She made that little pencil holder. It has Valentine pencils in it with a cute little heart attached to it. Y'all, when I'm telling you I love paper crafting, you can make the cutest things. Look how cute that is. That is a cute little Valentine card with shaker mix in it. And in that shaker mix, there is some sequins, they look like almost like little polymer clay hearts and envelopes, Valentine's Day themed, of course. So I've never made a shaker card, but now that I have shaker mix, probably gonna be doing that. So we'll show that on a video. But that was our gift from the hosts for actually just participating in the swap. So now we get to the good stuff. So my swap partner was Kristin, and she is over at Crafts by Chris. And I didn't want to show their address. We're respecting privacy, of course. But it was a cute envelope. It was purple and pink, and she'd made some stickers that went on there. And when I tell you, she packed that thing full. It was awesome. I had trouble getting it all out of the envelope, as you can tell. Some candy, some M&Ms. Love M&Ms. As you can see, I've got chocolate up there. And look, I talked about it in that video as well. I tried so hard just to pull this out one by one so that we could all be surprised. It did not work. Like I said, when I say she stuffed that thing full of goodies, she did. And here they come. I was struggling. I was on the struggle bus. That was a little handmade tag that she had made. And it was freaking adorable, y'all. It says you're my tweetheart. It was so cute. Little paper flowers that she made and tied it all up together. And pocket letters are really, really cute. I had never heard of them, like I said. And when I made mine, I had to watch a couple tutorials, see exactly what was in them. But it's coming out, I promise. And again, ours had to be Valentine themed. And what you do with a pocket letter is that is one of those plastic sleeve baseball card holders that you just cut up paper and decorate each little package. And then in each little slot, you just put goodies in there. She made that cute little, the thing I'm taking off right there, purse charm. But she had made all those, decorated them for Valentine's Day, and there are goodies in each of the little sleeves. So those had some little jimmies, decorated paper. So stinking cute, y'all. She did a really great job on that. Kristin did. I was so happy to get it. So in that little sleeve, again, there was some sparkly stickers, cute little paper clip. Y'all, that's a clothespin that she decorated. There were some tags, handmade tags that she made for me. Again, so stinking cute. Y'all, you just don't know. If you haven't done a pocket letter, find you a swap buddy and do a pocket letter. If you want to swap with me, I'll make another one. And it doesn't have to be Valentine themed. We can come up with something different. Some cute little ephemera. And I love those little velvet bows right there. Those are so pretty. I don't know where she got those. I don't know if she made those, but so stinking cute. I struggled a little bit getting all that stuff in and out on camera. Y'all know me. I struggle a little bit anyway. I think I drive the struggle bus sometimes. And that next little sleeve, that one right there, is shaker mix. Again, more shaker mix. I really want to make a shaker card now. Excuse me. That little page topper or package topper is adorable as well. So many so much cute stuff in there. Y'all, I'm telling you, words are hard. I was having trouble. And then we've got some more stickers because I feel like Kristin and I were kind of on the same level. I love stickers. You'll see what I mean by that in just a minute. She actually made those stickers on her thermal printer, and they're so cute. Now I need to get me a thermal printer so I can make a different style of sticker. My little chunky fingers were having trouble getting that out of there. The struggle is real, y'all. The struggle is real. But aren't those stinking cute? Again, handmade stickers that she had done. Handmade with love. Love that one. I love that too. Happy Valentine's Day. Adorable. And I was trying to be good, put everything back in there. And our next little sleeve's got some more Valentine ephemera in it. She packed it full, I'm telling you. Aren't those pretty? And they have foil accents on them, so they're so cute. Those will look cute on some cards. You don't have to use hearts all the time just for Valentine's Day. And that one right there is just some really pretty, it's not really baker's twine, but you can use it to accent cards, tags, things like that. It's really pretty. It's got little teeny tiny sequins attached to it. So it's glittery and shimmery, and the camera did not want to pick it up for some reason. I tried, y'all. I really did. At that point, I think I just gave up trying to put those stickers back in. Love that clip. But she made that little bag charm. So I'm going to put that on my purse or my backpack, whichever one I happen to be carrying. However much stuff I have to handle take with me for the days, whether I carry the purse or the backpack. I'm sure others struggle with the same thing. And again, that tag is so stinking cute. And then it had this bag in it, y'all. I love that little burlap bag with the hearts. And she stuffed that full of stuff. And again, I love stickers. And I don't know how she knew that about me, that I just love my stickers. Those were little clothespins that were just so adorable. Some more puppy stickers. Those are actually shaker stickers. They have glitter in them. So when you shake them up, you hear them and see the little glitter. Some cute little shiny Valentine stickers. Those are DIY stickers that you can paint up. Paint yourself. Love that burlap bag. And then she included a card, which I was rude. I didn't read the card first. I know. I was like a kid at a birthday party. And I was trying really, really hard not to rip it because I'm that kind of person. I didn't want to rip it. But look at this stinking cute handmade card she made, y'all. That is so pretty. I was struggling to get that open. I'm on the struggle bus. And then it was just a note in there that was to her swap partner. That was her first pocket letter that she had made too, and she hoped I liked it. And it was just a really, really sweet card. Said some very, very kind words. And again, I loved that bag dangle. So yeah, so that was my first Valentine swap. And again, hope to do another one. And like I said, if anybody out there wants to swap stuff with me, we can do it. We'll do pocket letters. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go show Crafts by Chris some love because she did a great job on her swap. And I hope y'all are staying warm in this cold weather. And until next time, we will see you again. Bye now.